Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 32-inch Samsung LED TV. You can see this is the model number. In this TV, the complaint is no display issue. You can see the fault is backlight okay, no display issue. See friends, this is the TV. This TV comes with single curve 32-inch HD ready panel with SM4186 Dc to DC IC. Due to internal shorting in gate signals, the SM41 DC to DC IC goes to protection mode, so it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages like VGH, VGL, avdd, etc. See friends, this is the fault. Here actually the damage is with panel. So here the permanent solution is panel replacement. After all, we can repair this TV using a temporary solution by cutting down the gate signal tracks either from the right side or left side of the glass panel. If both sides of the panel is short, then it is not repairable using this temporary solution. See friends, while checking with multimeter, you can see the initial panel voltage, the input VCC 12 volt is present. See, the input voltage 12 volt, 3.3, 1.8 voltages are present in the scalar board. Other than the basic voltages like VGH, VGL, avdd, VCOM voltages will be missing because of the gate signal shorting in the glass panel. The DC to DC IC goes to protection mode. See friends, the VGH voltage is missing. So in this panel, first we are going to cut down the right side gate signal track. See friends, this is the SM4186 DC to DC IC. These are the gate signal tracks from the right side. And these are the gate signal tracks from the left side. So first we are going to cut down the right side gate signal track and check the display is okay or not. Remember that this is just only a temporary solution and the permanent solution is panel replacement. See friends, here we first cut down the right side gate signal track, but the complaint remains same. So in that situation, we need to rejoin the cutter tracks from the right side. After rejoining the cutter tracks, we need to cut down the left side gate signal track. So here first we need to rejoin these cutter tracks before cutting down the left side gate signal track. See friends, finally here you can see, here we rejoined all the cutter tracks from the right side. After rejoining these cutter tracks, now we cut down the left side gate signal track. Now in this condition, let us turn on the TV and check the display. Remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement and we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on luck basis. See friends, So you can see now the picture comes and the DC to DC IC protection is removed. See, now the shorting is in left side of the panel. The left side gate signal tracks are short. After cutting down these gate signal tracks from the scalar board, now the shorting is removed and the DC to DC IC back to normal mode. See, this is just only a temporary solution. So now we can put the back cover back to TV. See friends, finally here you can see the final result. Now the display is crystal clear. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thank you for watching.